If you're having trouble accessing Meta AI on Instagram, there could be several reasons for this, including app settings and regional availability. So here's how to troubleshoot the issue. First of all, you have to update the Instagram application. Make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app. For that, you have to go to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and then tap on Update if the new version is available. Now check the regional availability. Verify if Meta AI features have been released in your country or region, and if they haven't been rolled out in your area yet, you may need to wait for the official launch. And then verify your account type. Some Meta AI features are only available for a specific account type. If you have business accounts, you may access tools like Chatbox or Insights, and if you have personal accounts, you may have features like Suggested Post or Interaction AI. So to check or change your account type, you can go to Settings and then scroll down and go to Account Type and Tools and then select your account type. Moreover, you can adjust AI settings in Instagram. Meta AI features might need to be enabled in your settings. So go to your settings, look for AI related options and then tap on it. Make sure that you have turned it on or you have subscribed to it. And if you don't see the options, the features may not be available on your account yet. Besides that, try logging out of your Instagram account and then log back in. It can refresh the app and reveal new features. Then tap and hold the application, go to its eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. After that, if the features are still missing, you can try reinstalling the application too. So tap and hold on it and then click on Uninstall and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And if Meta AI is still not available, you can reach out to the Instagram support, go to Settings, scroll down and then go to Help, that is in the More Info and Support section. Click on Reported Problem and then click on Reported Problem again. Explain your issue and request assistance. So Meta AI roll out AI features gradually. And to stay updated, you can follow the Meta and Instagram on social media. Check Meta's official blog or news page for announcements about the feature rollout. And by following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Meta AI on Instagram. And if the feature is being gradually released, you may need to wait until it becomes available in your account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.